All right, we're live. Welcome back to our stream, everybody. Today, we are going to cover a couple topics. It's a little unorganized. It's a little crazy. Whoa, hold on. I gotta mute this. We have a lot of stuff, though. We're going to talk about... Our main topic is going to be this USDT dominance chart and why either it is the demise of the bull market or we could have one last run. Things are not looking good. I don't want to say Jacob is right just yet.
Not yet.
But his plausibility of being right is slowly rising day by day.
Yes, sir.
But it's okay. I'm still bullish for now.
Still bearish.
But I'm on I'm on a very, very thin line. But yeah. Happy Halloween, by the way. Yeah, I think I will come around within the next 2 weeks if we're not running. But happy Halloween. I hope you guys like the banner we did. Let me make sure everything's working. Perfect. Hold on. Wait, say something, Jacob?
Yo.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Okay. Let's get into this. First, I'm going to pull up, what should we pull up? Do you want to get straight into the USDT dominance?
Sure.
All right. Give me 1 second. I'll pull up the chart because...
Yeah, you got it all charted out, so.
Give me 1 second. I'm just making sure I have this set up. Okay. Okay, we should be good.
All right.
All right, I'm going to share my screen right now. Give me 1 second. Oops. Live chat is there. Okay. Kenny says hi. Hello, Kenny. Let me make sure it pops up in chat. Okay, it did. Perfect. All right. Had myself. Okay.
Who's Kenny?
Kenny, I don't know. Kenny9977.
Oh.
Welcome to the stream. Also, before anything, I have to remember to you know what I forgot to add? A live viewer count. I wanted to add that. Okay, I'll do that next time.
Next time.
Yeah. But yeah, okay, let's get into it. Before anything, also, I have to give a signal because when I'm editing this into a YouTube video, it's easier if I start the topic and act like
second stream.
Yeah, second stream, more to come. Okay. So just to make this simpler for me when I'm editing, I'm gonna say this is the USDT dominance chart. Okay. Give me a second. Let me make sure you're live too, just in case. Okay, perfect. Kenny and Cartman, wild start. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. I like your profile picture, bud. All right, okay. So this is, or should we save this? Should we save this a little bit? Because I want to get more people in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's not jump into it right away.
Okay, let's just go to something else I want to share. Sorry, guys. We got to make sure everybody.
Wild start, man. Wild start.
Yes, we'll share the sauce once more people join. But we have a lot of stuff, a lot of secret sauce to talk about today.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put us like this. No, I'm going to do this. No. There we go. Okay. First things first. A lot of people are talking about altcoin season. Is it going to happen, Jacob?
Hell no.
I agree. It's not happening.
There's no way.
How can I make my first million? Well,
all in on a meme.
I don't know
Not
about
financial advice. This
Yeah,
is
don't-
not financial
that. Do
advice.
not do that. How do I make my first million? Allocate 30% of your income to investments. Buy the S&P 500 for the next 30 years, and you should be a millionaire.
$150 a month start at the age of 18. S&P 500, 65 years old, you'll have a net worth of over $1 million.
Yeah, that's like the base.
Too easy.
Yeah, that's like the no-brainer. Anybody can get rich, but it just
Yeah.
takes time.
Yeah.
Allocate more money, right? If it's 150
Yeah.
in 60 years, you double 150, you put 300. That cuts it from 60 years to 30.
It would even be less thanks to compounding, but
Exactly.
I don't have exact numbers on that, so
Right, and then you just double every time, and it will cut it in half. So
at least in half, yeah.
exactly. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Yo,
Yes, we're on our
second
second
live.
live stream. I like your little dog. Love the
Starts
profile
so
picture.
early.
Love it. Oh, I forgot to mention Jacob. He's very busy, man.
Very
There's
busy.
a lot of stuff to do today, so we had to pump it out a little early. I know we're like 2 hours early, but we'll be back on schedule next week, I hope. Right, Jacob?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Hopefully, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me move this. So, do you see what I have here?
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
Pure delusion. Has to be. Has to be.
There's a golden cross, though.
I don't care.
Look at this. We're already pumping.
There is no alt season.
Mm.
Yo, shout out that banner.
Yes, thank you.
Looks sweet.
There's actually an amazing graphic designer I know who designed this banner for me.
Shout out.
If you guys need to know who it is, I'm gonna keep it on the download just in case. But
you got to join the server to ever
join
find
the server
out.
and you can get the info. All right, it's at the top. Join the Discord. But yeah, I just wanted to show this just because it's a joke, guys. Altcoin season. It will come if Bitcoin pumps, but it's very light. Like there's some coins like Zcash. Have you seen Zcash lately?
Zcash is crazy,
dude. Last time Zcash
what a sleeper
pumped.
That was.
Last time. Sorry. That comment just that was funny.
What?
No, it's just the way you said it. Hold on. Yeah, but last time Zcash pumped like this,
Damn.
It was the top of the bull market, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Actually, do you understand the fundamentals of Zcash?
It's just Bitcoin, but it's Monero. Is that literally not what it is?
Well, what do you mean by Monero? Explain it for the viewers, right?
Okay, so basically with Bitcoin, everything is documented on chain. So even though you're public on the ledger, right? On the blockchain. Yeah. So even though you're private, your identity is private, your wallet address is public. So all your transactions can be tracked. So then you have these coins called privacy coins, something like Monero or Zcash, which is basically like a peer-to-peer, whatever, blockchain, Bitcoin. You can send money, but it's private. It's hidden. I don't know the fundamentals. I don't know how they hide the address or how it works, but all I know is it's anonymous Bitcoin, basically.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much why. That's the value of Zcash.
Which I think is crazy valuable. There's no doubt that a coin like that is valuable. I just don't know why it pumped so abruptly. I don't really know what happened there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not too sure either, honestly. Mm-hmm. So we got a comment from Kenny here.
I see you changed your profile picture. What's that about? Have you ever heard of Trump coin?
Plenty of potential.
Okay, so
let's hear why you believe that it even has potential.
Well, first, yeah. Say that, and then what is this potential here? I'm not seeing much potential.
There's got to be something cooking behind the scenes here, because
what's happening here?
On biz. Okay. So let's get one thing straight. Kenny is a troll. Clearly.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Kenny's
I don't know
definitely
about
trolling
Trump
the
is the
stream
GOAT.
here.
We have 7 viewers. Guys, if Shaky is here, is Shaky? Shaky? That's how you say his name, right?
Shike? I don't know.
Shake?
I don't
Shike?
know how to say his name.
Okay, if he's here, let me know because I want to get into this USDT thing because I really wanted to show him this. But yeah, Trump, you know, yeah, I don't know about that. Let me,
Yeah, definitely a dud.
yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
Trump is literally a poop coin. There are better options out there. Yes, I agree. I agree. Let me open this. Okay.
Kenny, as a community challenge, I'd love to see you put your entire net worth into
Yeah,
Trump coin.
send a screenshot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. It's just a meme coin, guys. It's just a meme coin. We
Yeah.
gotta take it seriously.
It's a dud.
But as for altcoin season, I just wanted to show this because buy now or cry in December. I'll tell you right now, it's possible. We could go up, but most likely
I'll tell you right now, it is never going to happen.
I think
December,
there's a non-zero
we
probability.
will already be in the bear market across the board. Bitcoin will be in the bear market in December.
Yeah. I
That
think
is my
that is
prediction.
a good timeline for sure. For sure.
November,
For
it's
sure.
done. Market's over. It was a good run. Look at all the great things that took place, right? But
Yeah.
it is over.
Guys, we've done what? 600% off the lows. It's been a good run. Do I think
Yeah.
it's over yet? No. Do I think we're about to come to the absolute final portion of the cycle? Yes. Like we're coming in. The window is closing. The window is closing for sure. So yeah, I just want to show that. Next, what do we got? This is just the 50-week SMA. I just like the way this looked. Once we fall below this, we're most definitely in a bear market, and we are coming close. We are coming close.
It's right there.
So this goes back 2014, 2018, 2021. Sadly, this run looks very minuscule if you look at it compared to other cycles. But it was still a good run off the lows. What do you think?
I think over time we will see that it's not going to run as much as it has before. We will stop seeing these like 600% off the lows. It's just there's too much money in the market now, right?
All right, it's diminishing returns.
Yeah, I think we're already starting to see that.
You can clearly just see it looking at this chart. Like, look at this bull run compared to this one.
Yeah, it's insane.
And then this one. Well, what do you think about this? Please, folks, listen to this. Stop watching the 50-week SMA. Charts don't move markets. Liquidity does. The Fed just flipped from ending QT. Listen, even if there's quantitative easing, cycles are cycles. And I do think we're going to go into a bear market. Like you said, I do think traditional markets can pump for a while longer. But actually, I don't know. This guy might be flipping me back to bullish.
Well, I could tell you why. Liquidity in the market does not necessarily mean it has to go up. Because, okay, now this liquidity is entering the market. What if these people are shorting it with this liquidity? How is that bullish? And how is this liquidity that's entering the economy, not just crypto? It's not entering just the crypto market. It's entering the economy. This is all or a significant amount is guaranteed going to Bitcoin? No, that's not true. Most of it will go to real estate. Then there's going to be stocks. And then
gold.
Yeah. Gold, silver. And then crypto will get the scraps. What's left. That's it.
I agree.
And we're already close to all-time high.
I agree. Oh, he has more to say. I mean, this is true. He's saying all good things that are happening, but remember, cycles are in control. It doesn't matter what narrative there is. Cycles have always been in control. But he does make a good point, and this is another reason why I do think we are going to go on to another run. We are going to go on for one more run. Bitcoin will do to banks what email did to the postal industry.
Okay.
I
That's probably
agree.
the most logical thing Kenny
Yeah,
has
that's
said this
probably the
stream.
smartest thing you've said so far. And I do agree with you. I do agree with you 100%.
Yeah,
This is true. It's just going to take time. It's just going to take time.
I don't think it'll be I just don't see Bitcoin replacing the banking industry. I think it'll be another
Sector.
currency,
I think
but
it'll be another sector of the financial
yeah,
world.
I think Bitcoin's more so the gold replacement.
Mhm.
I actually just posted a video about why I feel that way too.
Yes, let me show that. Hold on.
So shout out to that video.
I was going to pull this up. Look, I had the tab open and everything.
Look at that.
Okay. Right here. Why
Yeah, so if you want to
Bitcoin
check that out.
is beating gold.
Yeah.
Is it though?
Is it?
Year to date?
I'm not looking at with like a short-term scale
Right.
here.
This is long term.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not here trying to flip like within a couple weeks here.
Do you think central banks will ever start holding Bitcoin the same way they hold gold? Yes.
I think central banks will try to create their own currency.
That's true. But you could look at the US. I mean, central bank, well, the government isn't necessary. Well, the government is the central bank, but well, they're entwined, right? So do you count
Yeah.
the strategic Bitcoin reserve as a central bank? No, it's the federal government.
Yeah, they're two different entities, two different bodies.
But
right?
I don't doubt that the Fed will hold Bitcoin eventually.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. And once Bitcoin starts being adopted as gold, as digital gold by masses, then I think they'll have no choice.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. So
It's
yeah,
just going to
for
take
sure.
time.
At some point.
It's just going to take
Yeah,
time.
exactly.
Like once
Long
this
term.
starts happening, first it's countries, right? Then it's going to be banks. And then that's it, right? And then people will start printing dollars. We need countries to print dollars to purchase Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Once that starts happening, all right, it's kind of over for the fiat system.
Yeah.
I don't know if that will ever occur, but yeah.
Just got to zoom out, right? Look on long-term horizon here.
Yeah.
RBC coin.
I
Okay,
don't know
so
what that is.
Kenny's back with the memes here.
Is that a bank?
RBC, yeah, RBC is like the #1 bank in Canada.
Oh.
So I can definitely see. I actually think that some banks are already working on their own coins.
Oh yeah,
I
dude.
believe,
The European Union announced that they're doing a CBDC in 2029 or something. Did you see that?
Yeah, that's central bank digital currency.
Well,
yeah.
I would consider that a crypto or a form of digital currency. I mean, it's not crypto,
Yeah,
but
it'll be.
it's like USDT.
Well, it's quote unquote crypto. Yeah,
Yeah, it's just
a stable
government
coin.
controlled. Exactly.
Yeah.
So that will
That's
occur
actually
eventually.
very dangerous. Very dangerous.
100%.
Yeah.
It becomes a thing once the universal basic income starts, you'll be forced to spend your money, right? Like in China, I know that they have money, digital money in some parts of the regions where they're experimenting. And I don't know if this is true, actually. I might be tripping. But basically, if you don't spend your money, it gets deleted. Like you have to spend a certain amount of money. Actually, that might have been a show. I might be tripping. Okay, anyway.
This next comment's pretty good too.
Which one?
Would the price be more regulated, so less manipulated? I think my take is that the price will always be manipulated, but the volatility will decrease substantially.
Every market is manipulated. It's just to what degree.
Yeah.
Right? Intraday, like if you're looking on a day-to-day basis, then there's manipulation all the time. There's liquidity sweeps, like whatever. People know what's coming. The whales are going to control the price, and on any asset. But it's just basically when banks start holding Bitcoin, they're not going to sell, right? You don't see banks selling their gold reserves. It's a reserve for a reason. So of course, if you have 5 countries and they all hold 1% of the supply each, and they're never going to sell it, then it's going to force the price to be stable. I saw that France is actually they have some. I'm assuming it's just a petition or something, but that France wants to buy 2% of the Bitcoin ecosystem, 2% of the supply.
Oh wow.
Did you see that?
No, I
Dude,
haven't
that's
seen that.
insane.
That is insane.
But what is Kenny saying, bro?
I don't know. This guy's on one for sure.
Yo, he's actually spitting facts though.
Yeah. It's just hard to take him
Commodity-based,
seriously.
policy-based, and math-based. That is very true. But it's hard to take him seriously. Anyways,
Yeah.
Kenny, give us a second. Give us a second. I want to make Jacob mad here because I know he hates this.
I hate the comparisons between two assets. Like
two
and totally
assets that
different.
are basically the same.
Yeah, but not necessarily.
You literally made a video.
I don't think it's recognized enough as digital gold yet. I think that is the problem.
No, 100%.
If you look at the global adoption of crypto in general,
yes.
I think it's less than 7% of the global population
even
knows about crypto.
Yes.
Yeah. So to say that Bitcoin is a digital gold, you have to be delusional today, right? To say it doesn't have the fundamentals, no, I think it has the fundamentals.
Yeah, I'm talking fundamentals. I'm not talking about how people view it today.
But the thing is, for the price to go up, people must view it this way, especially if you're going to correlate it to gold. People have to view it as digital gold.
That is true.
That's my take on this.
But
from a logical understanding.
This is logical, okay? That is a very logical view. But we need a little hopium. Comparing anything is just a bad idea because no matter what, they simply are not the same. Okay.
My man. Finally got some logic, this guy. Let's go.
They're not the same, but they are fundamentally the same.
Chat.
They're fundamentally the same.
I don't disagree with you, but how many people agree with you? That's my argument.
Okay.
Right?
The reason I showed this is because there's assets that are comparable. And this looks very similar to gold. All right. It's been trading in this rising wedge, and it's getting close. It's getting close to either a breakdown or a break up.
So my argument. Breakout. Well, I guess that's okay.
I'm just saying they look similar. The patterns look similar, and Bitcoin's getting close. And this comes with the idea that it's make or break for Bitcoin. It's either we're going up within the next 2 weeks or we're rolling into a bear market in my eyes. So that's why I showed this.
Okay.
Fair
enough.
Okay. Let me move on. It's getting heated, guys. What the? That's what's gonna happen in the next couple of days. Okay.
To the downside.
To the downside. Oh yeah, this is another gold. Another gold offset chart.
Guys tripping. What's the top on that? What's the top?
190 it says.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think that's happening.
Enough with the memes.
Okay, let me close this. Relax. This one made me laugh. ETH will be trading above 5K in the next 7 to 10 days. Okay, listen. This lines up with what I said a couple seconds ago. We need to go up with midway through November. We need to break out. If we do not break out, then we're done. Yeah. So I kind of agree with this guy, and I think 5K is a good target. So I agree with this guy. What else we have? This guy, I wanted to bring up this guy because I think he's a little crazy. Because we have a dump to 96, I do think it's possible if we do dump soon and then we bounce back, we have a quick wick, and then we're going to break out.
Dude, that's such a big wick.
But
no, what's going to happen is if we break down to 96, we will reject the 50 SMA or around 102,000.
Yes.
And we will continue lower. So this guy will make a quick trade from like 96 to 102. And if he doesn't get out, he's going to get burnt.
Yeah, I 100% agree with that. He could
Yeah.
be making a big mistake buying there because if we get rejected off the 50 week, then we're screwed, right?
Yeah.
So if it breaks above and we start trading within that range again, then it could be different. But you got to be very, very, very careful in these parts. Okay,
Yeah.
what's this? This was a little crazy because
It's just
his
circles on a chart, man.
his blow off top is 820,000
Yeah.
within this cycle, which I just thought is ridiculous. I just wanted to show this because this is just ridiculous. People are too bullish, and you guys got to chill. I wanted to show this because this is me and Jacob. I'm Michael Saylor. He's Tom Lee.
Okay.
Short guy.
Yeah. Okay. I see how it is. All right.
You can be
next.
Michael Saylor if you want. Okay.
I'm definitely Michael Saylor.
Okay. All right. Yeah. I'll let you be Michael Saylor. It's all right. Okay. This is something I wanted to show to you last time. October closed here, 3%, negative 3%. We had a 36% dump.
Yikes.
But keep in mind, this is 2018, which would be the equivalent of 2026 for us, if I'm not wrong there, right? Because 2017 would be 2025 in the 4-year cycle perspective, right?
I think so.
Right, and then 2019 would be 2027. So I don't know if this is going to occur again, personally.
Well, 2026 would be 2014, right?
2026 would be 2014. No. 2026 would be 2015.
No, because every 4 years, right?
Okay, hold on. Let me do from here. When did this bull market start? It was 2016, right? This was the down year. 2017. Well, I know that this is the down year. Most definitely, this was the bear market. 2018 was the bear market.
2018, yeah. 2018, 2022.
And then 2022.
Yeah, and now it's 2026.
Right? So 2018 is not... This is not... I would not compare this because this is a bear market year. We're still in technically a bull market part of the cycle. So yeah. But historically, November is the best month for Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens. In a bull market, which technically we are still in.
It's not quite over yet, but
it's not just quite over. So there's still hope.
November will be the confirmation.
100%. 100%.
Yeah, without a doubt.
But I'm just getting close. I'm really getting close, not to flipping bearish, but definitely getting defensive.
Flipping bearish.
To getting defensive, and yes, selling, and I guess flipping bearish. But I still do think there's one last run before we go down. This is something I wanted to show because this is insane. Look at this. I mean, we're just trading within this giant... Well, I mean, it's just 2 lines on a chart.
Yeah.
That's what you say.
How accurate this is, that's totally up for debate.
Yeah, I don't think we're going down to 30K.
I don't think so, but I wouldn't say it's impossible.
Yeah, I do think a 70% drop is possible from here.
Yeah.
What sucks is that we're marking from these highs, right?
Yeah.
Like I thought Bitcoin was going to go to 140. So if we go to 140, we take 50%. It's not that bad, but now we're at 120 and we take 50%. So we're going to be much lower than I first anticipated, right? Because if we take it from the high, I'm checking right now.
126, right?
That would leave us at 62K, which we think is proper, right?
Yeah, that's definitely. I think that's guaranteed.
Yeah, I think 60K is a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I wanted to show this
Peak
because
delusion.
We're getting a little crazy. We're getting a little crack pipe.
This is when you lose your mind.
This is like we're on our last leg here. But the moon cycles, lunar cycle, I know people trade it. Personally, I don't believe in it. But this goes, if you look at this chart, first quarter, full moon, third quarter. Realistically, we need to flip and have a reversal within the next 2 weeks. I keep saying this. Every chart I'm seeing, every idea, it's telling us we need to flip now. So as I said again, if we don't flip, it's over.
Oh,
this is for Jacob because I know he loves Tesla.
Tesla bull, 20K.
Personally, let me pull up Tesla. I think Tesla is going to drop to 250, 180 in the bear market.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
Maybe 250.
Your screen's frozen here.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's loading now. Pull up do you have a Tesla chart?
I do. Give me 1 second. You want to pull it up? I'll make it easier.
I got my Tesla chart open, yeah.
Yeah, share your screen. We're almost getting into the meat of it, guys. After this, we're going to talk about the USDT, so stay tuned.
Okay.
All right, show us what we got.
So this is my Tesla chart.
Yes.
I think we are currently in a very dangerous zone. This is not where we want to find ourselves. So I think this is a huge supply zone. We're currently going sideways, which makes me believe we're in a distribution phase and we could break down here. But because how bullish the market is, I believe we could break to all-time highs also. What do you think? What's your take on Tesla?
You're telling me, oh, I see. Previous high. Yeah, this is a big sell range. Honestly.
Yeah.
This could break out though, right? If you stopped sharing for some reason.
Oh man.
I was gonna say if Tesla broke out of that range, correlating with the S&P, continuing to rise, then that would be insane.
Yeah, I think S&P is gonna hit 7 here. So.
Oh, we actually got a comment. I think Bitcoin has that chance to hit $200 or 200,000. I thought there was a chance to 200K, but it's looking grim. It's looking grim.
That's it's way up here. That's from last stream. I don't see that personally.
No, it's not possible. Not this cycle. I mean,
80% upside from here. How do you not buy?
If that's the case. I don't know. It will happen. I'd love for
Kenny to buy. I'd love to see that. And then he comes back on the stream and we could see what happens, right? Buy Trump coin, buy Bitcoin, right? And let's see.
Yeah.
But I just don't see that.
I agree. I don't think it's possible.
Happening. I think we're in a distribution phase. Tops in. Any bounce to 126 is easiest short of your life.
I agree. I think once we start getting into these higher levels, I am going to start piling on a short for sure.
Yeah. I think that's an easy play for Bitcoin
here. It could go many ways.
Yeah.
All right. Let me pull up this. Okay, fear and greed index. I wanted to show this because we're in fear. Fear is usually a bottoming indicator, which lines up with a reversal. We need a reversal now. So, yeah, people are fearful. The market's fearful. Everything is very fragile. Jacob said that earlier. We're on thin ice. So, okay, I want to get into the USDT dominance chart now.
Yes.
Because Jacob doesn't have much time, so we want to run through this quickly today. But I got this guy from Kev Capital TA, okay? This guy had not many subscribers, not many followers, but this guy was spitting gold. And I really got to show you guys this because this is insane. So let me pull up my chart. Give me 1 second.
Investments you were wrong about. That's a good question by Kenny.
Oh, that is an amazing question. You got any? I can't think of any. I don't know if I've ever been wrong.
I've never been wrong, but I have sold really early.
I don't think I've ever been wrong, but my timing has been horrendous. And I've been wrong for sure with altcoins like before, but recently nothing. Just timing. My timing is off sometimes.
Oh. Okay. So, I will expose probably my worst financial decision I've ever made.
Yes, please.
If you want to pull up the chart,
yeah, tell
you
me.
pull up Pangu.
What's the ticker?
Pangu. Pengu.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Oh!
So this was definitely the worst financial decision I've ever made.
I told you stay away from altcoins.
Yeah. So I sold at I think it was minus 30%. That is my worst sustained loss.
Man,
It was pretty bad.
that's crazy.
I
Holy
definitely
moly.
lost. Yeah, it was down crazy. I actually sold on a bounce back up, thank God, but
What was it?
it's
this
down
candle?
even more since I sold.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't know. This
Yeah,
been
it was
cursed from the
pretty bad.
start.
Yeah.
Let me see.
So Kenny considers bad timing and selling early being wrong. So I've definitely been wrong a few times if selling early.
Yeah, of course, everybody's wrong. It's just selling early. I don't know if I've ever sold early. Maybe I sold too late. For sure. Like probably my biggest mistake ever was this. I mean, it's always altcoins, dude. This is probably my biggest mistake of all time. I think I bought this coin at I don't even know. Oh, this is market cap for some reason. Wait, no, it isn't. What is this? I don't even know. 2021. I don't know why the price says 0 here, but it was like it's because for some reason it's not showing decimals. But this was like peak 40 cents, I think, almost at $1 or something like that. I think I bought at 12 cents. I probably bought somewhere over here, and then I rode this thing up, and I think I made a good chunk of money, and I didn't sell it, and I rode it all the way down. And I lost 97%. So, and I still hold it for some reason. I don't know why. It's just so bad that I don't even want to get rid of it anymore. I might as well just keep it in there. But I am going to sell it soon once I sell everything. So this is probably the biggest mistake I've ever made in my life. Okay. I'm getting into the juice. As I said, Kev Capital TA, that's his name. This is the USDT dominance chart, and I'm going to tell you how you could have and how you still can use this to determine local tops and bottoms. So, basically, this is how it works. When people get fearful, they sell their crypto and they go into stablecoins. The biggest stablecoin is Tether. And when they go into stablecoins dominance rises. Now, dominance has formed this wedge. This is a falling wedge, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it has formed this falling wedge. And if you've followed it, you can clearly see here that I've marked this. You got the yen carry trade, the tariffs. That was in April, right?
Yeah.
And you have the 20 billion liquidations that just happened. So give me 1 second. Man, I think I'm getting sick.
Uh-oh.
I'm getting a cough. Wait, Kenny did say something. What is an investment I wished I jumped in but didn't?
I have a few.
XRP, Solana.
XRP, I did capitalize on XRP, just not as much as I should have put in,
Yeah, for sure.
but I did make like 400% on XRP. But probably the easiest money that could have been made was like Nvidia. You have Palantir. Palantir, I
Oh
saw
yeah.
like $20. I could have 10x'd. I actually sold. I had IonQ at like $7. Now it's like 60 or something. Any quantum stock, they were like $1. They're up like 4,400%. That was easy money. Nvidia should have been a no-brainer right out of high school. As soon as I could invest money, I should have been loading up. MicroStrategy is a good one. Yeah.
Here, give me a second. Keep talking. I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay. You were in Palantir. Yeah. Yeah, I mean Palantir's on like a generational run. I don't think it'll keep going up much longer, but the market's so bullish that I just don't see it not going up. Yeah. Sold Western Digital too early. Western Digital company or corporation. They make hard drives. Got in at like $35, $40. Now it's like 150. Seagate Technologies. There's so many. So many opportunities.
Yo,
Yo.
what's happening? You good?
Yeah, I'm just talking about price is what you pay, value is what you get. Okay, now Kenny's now spitting bars in the
I
chat.
don't even know what that means. Very wise. Oh, something I missed out on: silver, gold. Probably MSTR is the biggest, right? Doesn't make sense. I don't know why I didn't purchase any.
Yeah.
Okay, back to what I was talking about.
Okay.
So, USDT. Hold on. Okay. So as I was saying, these mark the local tops and the local bottoms. Okay. So the red is the tops, the green is the bottoms, right? Green because you buy, and then red because you sell the tops. So I think these were the ETFs. You have the Trump pump when he got elected, and that's when we had a mini altcoin season. And then, of course, this local top. So this wedge has been golden since the bottom of the bear market since 2022. Okay. And if you sold these indicators, these tops and these bottoms, you would have made a lot of money. Like this is perfect for trading. And if you look right now, we are currently hitting this top, which is a bottom, right? We're hitting the top of this wedge, but that tells us that the bottom is in. Every time we get a hit on the top of this wedge, we pump into new all-time highs, and then vice versa. Once we touch the bottom of this wedge, we continue to dump, right? And the reason this is so valuable, not only does it tell us that, yes, sell when you hit these local tops and buy when you hit these local bottoms, but it gives us an idea of what's going to happen cycle-wise, because if we come back down here and we touch this, then we know 100% this is the top, right? Say it's the end of November, early December. And then, of course, this is going to break to the upside, meaning USDT dominance is going up, meaning we are going into a bear market. So, yeah, before I keep showing, I'm going to show this. Give me 1 second. Right here.
Shout out Kenny's wisdom real quick.
Time in the market beats timing the market. Man,
this guy's quoting
where are you
Buffett
getting
now.
these? Where are you getting these? I mean, it's true. I won't disagree with you. But I want to show this because historically, study shows that 65 to 75% chance of breaking to the upside All right. This is for a falling wedge.
Do you have that statistic that you could show?
Oh, I'm not sharing. Sorry about that. I thought I was sharing. Yeah, right here. So 60 to
Okay.
75% chance of breaking to the upside. And that would
Yeah.
perfectly line up with our 4-year cycle, because a break to the upside would confirm a bear market.
Yeah.
So, like, there's no doubt in my mind that we are going into a bear market. It's just when.
Yeah.
And then if I come back here, give me a second. I should have had you have this pulled up. Window. Yeah, if we look right here, as I said, most likely we are going to go
Yeah.
there we go, into a bear market, because this is
Yeah.
going to break to the upside. And let me just show you here. And now this is where it gets concerning, because if we zoom in here, Bitcoin is struggling. You could see here that this is trying to break out. And if this breaks out, we're screwed, right? There's no doubt that we're going into a bear market. So, yeah, this is a very scary time, because last time we were at the bottom of the bear market, USDT dominance went up to 9%, nearly 10%. Right now we're at 5%. And if we go back up to 10%, Bitcoin's going to drop at least 50% from here. So,
Okay.
yeah. So I do think that this is going to bounce here, and then it's going to break down. I don't know if it's going to stay within this range, but I do think it's going to break down. And then we are going to get one more touch, just a touch. We might even break below this, like this. And then that will be 135 to 140K. But I know you think differently, so you can talk about what
Yeah,
you
well,
think is
that
going to
is the
happen with
most
this.
bullish case scenario, what you
Agreed.
just played out there.
Yeah.
So if we zoom in a little bit more, we can see that the higher low we just formed, there is a really perfect hammer candle there. So no, the to your right, the bottom there.
This one?
Hammer. The next one.
This one. Oh, I see. Boop.
No, the V. The V to the
This one?
farthest right. Yeah. See the
Oh,
hammer
this
on the
one.
bottom there? On the bottom.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro.
It's all good.
I thought a hammer candle was a candle that went up like this and got knocked back down.
That's a revert or an inverse hammer.
Oh, okay.
So you could see we actually got one. We've gotten a couple. Anyways,
Okay.
the one I'm talking about, you could
What's this
see the wick on the bottom.
Yes.
So the wick on the bottom shows that there's demand when it goes down, right?
Right.
The demand is there. So it was bought back up, which is a
Which
Bitcoin
just
getting
means
short.
they're selling, right? They're selling it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that shows you that. And if with this candle on high volume is a confirmation. Technically.
Let me get volume up. Hold on.
Yeah. If you want to pull volume up.
I mean,
So volume's kind of flat overall.
yeah.
So there's not really. But you can see it did engulf all the red volume candles before it. Those 4
Yeah.
before it did get engulfed by this. So it still is high volume.
Yeah.
So I would take that as a confirmation.
Yeah, but volume
Now,
is dying out here. Well, once we're getting into this.
That is, we need to see a candle here with higher volume.
Yeah.
But you can also see when it went down, volume died out really fast. Like when we just, the last 3 candles, we had 2 red. The last 3 recently, the most recent candles, we had 2 red. Mm-hmm. It was high volume and then really low volume.
Yeah.
And now we engulfed the red bar with that one, right? So
yeah.
I don't know. We still need to see higher volume, and we need to see a high volume to the downside on Bitcoin.
I mean, if you're looking at this chart face value, you have a 1. Oh, oops. You have a 1, 2, 3 rejection.
Yeah.
This is good. because these are all hammer candles, inverse hammer candles.
I would say that one on the far right is more so like it could go either way.
Okay, and look at this one. Like this right here
That
is crazy.
insane.
This is a crazy
Yeah.
buyback.
Yeah, that's insane.
So
That's got to be October like 10th, right?
yeah,
Or
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
close
yeah,
to
yeah.
the liquidation. Yeah,
Yeah, this
so
is the day of.
makes sense.
Right, and realistically, if we are looking at this like chart wise, this is a fair value gap, right? And usually it's going to come back down to retest this before continuing up.
Okay.
What do you think? I think it's very possible. And if it does, then we'd have like a mini pump. It wouldn't be anything crazy, but if it does bounce here or around this area, then whoa. Okay, we know that this is strong and we're most likely going to go into a bear market, right? If that breaks.
Oh yeah.
So and then yeah, you can see there's support forming here clearly. It's tried to break down, but yeah. I do think this is going to retrace this candle at least.
Yeah.
So that will give us a little bit of a pump. But yeah, this is a good chart to look at, man. I'm telling you. This could tell us a lot. And then if this does break out here, I don't know what Bitcoin's price will be. Like if we touch this, Bitcoin was at 103 or 101 or something, right?
Yeah.
So if we come here, that's a break at the 50 SMA. We're probably at 101 again. And if it goes like this, and then it comes down and it does this, oh, we're cooked. We're done.
Yeah, it's just confirmation.
We're done.
That it's over.
Like this is as soon as it trades outside of this range with a proper retest, we are so done.
Yeah, I agree.
So yeah, I'm slowly turning bearish. Unfortunately,
You
the
just
fun
have
is
to be
over.
very cautious, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Now's not the time to be aggressive in the market.
Yeah, I agree. You have to be very careful.
I don't think even like I'm shorting. I'm not even being aggressive with my short, right? Because there is still a chance that we retest, and that would be a really good time to really get aggressive with the shorts.
Yeah.
A retest of all-time high would be perfect for a short. Somebody who wants to short the market.
Yeah. Anything here. Okay, if we come here, add to your short 100%. If we come here, this is like 140. Like we're coming close. Anything below this line, you need to start shorting because we're going into a bear market once we flip. Because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every single time we touch this area, this range, it's done. It is done. So if this is not a top indicator, if this is not a gold, this is YouTube short farming right now. If this is not a golden secret indicator, then I don't know what is. If you want to know where the top is, this is what you need to look at.
Yeah. Couldn't have said it better myself.
I love it. What did Kenny say here? Don't work for money. Make money work for you.
He's just dropping wisdom in the chat.
Yeah, I don't know where you're finding this wisdom, but you have to share it. Love it. But yeah, this is quite crazy, right? Because this is realistically, this is all you need. Like you don't need to look at any other chart other than this.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
I agree. And I think as someone who trades and swing trades, I think we should be looking for simpler ways to trade. I think people just have 20 indicators on their chart, right? They pay for TradingView Premium. They just slap everything on their chart.
Yeah.
And they just overcomplicate it. It's really simple the way the markets move. You just have to get the fundamentals down.
Yeah, 100% agree.
In my opinion.
Look at this. Look at this on the monthly.
Yeah.
It's just insane.
It's perfect.
Insane.
Yeah.
And remember, guys, there is a 65 to 75% wait, let me YouTube short clip this again. Guys, there is a sorry. I cut that out. Hold on. Guys, There is a 65 to 75% chance that this breaks to the upside. This is a falling wedge. And if this breaks to the upside, we are 100% in a bear market. All right.
There we go.
I love it. That's funny. That is too funny, man. Yeah, this is great. The monthly just looks crazy.
Yeah.
Even the 3 month. And I really don't think this is gonna go to the bottom of the end of this wedge. I think if we somehow compact within here in November 2026, no way.
There's
Also,
no way.
I want to say one thing because we're cautious. You're bearish. I'm still cautious, but a little bit of bullish. If we come here, okay, we break, boom, boom, boom. We come down here, and then we see something like this. And then this is, I don't know if this is a possibility. We see something like this, then whoa, well, something's happening. The cycle is over. That's another thing. Us breaking up is an indicator of the cycle being finished, but finished, like the cycle's finished. We're going to a bear market, but the 4-year cycle still worked, right? But if it goes to the downside, that's an indicator that, whoa, like the whole 4-year cycle is broken.
Yeah.
So yeah, I thought that was very interesting. Something else to keep your eye on. But yeah, I really do think we can touch this one more time. Looking at Bitcoin alone, like its chart as is, the MACD is holding on for dear life. We had a bounce here off our pitchfork. We're holding in within this range. I just don't know how much longer it can hold on, right? Because we got a low, we got a higher low, which is good. And but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. We're almost at an hour. If you want to end it,
yeah. I don't know. Is there anything else you want to talk about before we wrap it up?
I did want to talk about one thing. Hold on. I did want to talk about liquidity, but
yeah, we could do that.
I said this in my other video, so unfortunately, I was very excited because we had 20 billion in leverage built up, but now we only got 12 billion. So in the shorts, also 8 billion. Also, if we look at something like this liquidation heat map, it gives us a better idea of where the money, the liquidity sits.
Yeah.
And we know that it's going to follow money more than anything, right? It's going to go where liquidity is. And if you look here, we clearly, this is 200, this is 4 billion, this is 1 billion. So to the upside, we still have a lot of liquidity, especially in this area, right? So we could see 117, and I have no doubts we can push up to 126. But it's just, is that the top, or are we going to keep pushing? That's pretty much it. Yeah. Any other stocks you want to look at? Q&A. We could do a Q&A, but there's not many people here today, unfortunately. Kenny's just hitting us with the wise words, but
yeah.
that's
Kenny, if you have
it.
any questions.
Yeah.
I don't know.
If he's still here. I don't know if he's still here. I think we only got 2 viewers right now.
Yeah.
It's just me and you. All right. Well, I'm down to end it if you want.
All right. Yeah. Let's
hit the hour mark. Okay, guys. We are live every Sunday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I know we were not live 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. today, but we will be next week, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll edit it. I'll make a little video. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you next week. Any final words you want to say? Go watch Jacob's video.
Yeah, please go check it out. I think it's good content.
Yeah, join the Discord.
And,
join the Discord. New members are joining every day. We're slowly growing. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, yeah.
Yeah, join the community for sure.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys next week then.
All right.
See ya.
Peace.